In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add admin commands to your game in Roblox. Now, before I get into the video, I just want to say, please make sure you watch this video the whole way through and also pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct and you don't miss anything out because you may mess something up and we don't want your game to end up broken or something like that. Now, with that being said, if you do enjoy the video, please like, subscribe and comment down below, that helps. So, let's get right into this. The first thing you need to do is you need to load up the Roblox studio and open up a game. So you can either open up a fresh game or an existing one, it doesn't really matter. I've just got a fresh game here, just a fresh one here like this, so you can see. So the first thing we need to do is we need to just check that a few things are working. So we need to actually go up into the settings up here and we need to go across to view. Now when we're in view, you have to go down here to this toolbox section and we need to make sure this is turned on, and this will be important in a minute. Now once we've gone over here, we need to go to home and again check that toolbox is turned on. So now that we've made sure those are on, we actually need to go down here to the toolbox, which it should be on the bottom left somewhere like this, and we need to go on to this section here, marketplace, and make sure we've selected models. Now once we've done models, we need to type in this KOHLS admin like this. We want to click on it and there's going to be a ton that pops up, so I'm going to teach you how to make sure you get the correct one. So what you want to do, you want to hover over each of them, and this is basically what it looks like. So hover over it and the real one should have like a good percent of upvotes and it should have a ton of downloads or upvotes, I mean. So this one has 70k and 92%, so this is the one, whereas this one here has 50 and it only has 80%. So this one is the real one. You want to click on this and it says Cole's admin infinite includes one script. Please review the script event and want to changes to experience. You can disable the script by right clicking in Explorer. We just want to click OK and it should be added to our game. Nice. So now that we've got it, I'm going to teach you the next step. So once we've actually got this added to the game, we probably want to hide this if we were actually putting it in our game because it doesn't blend in very well. So you'd probably want to hide this in an object or put it really high, just somewhere that people can't see it, because it probably will, ruin the atmosphere of your game. But that's really up to you to do. So now that we've actually done that, we need to go across to the right here to the Explorer and we need to find the thing that we just added, and we need to press the down arrow here like this. And there's another thing that says, thumbnail camera or credit. We need to go to credit, put the down arrow on that. We need to go on to one that says settings. So double click on that. And this is where we can actually edit the settings up. So in here, you can actually add the people that you want to have these commands. So you can use usernames or user IDs to add people to the list. So for example, you can have this as their name. You can have the ID. So what you would do is you come down here, so we have the different sort of ranks you can have. You've got owners, super admins, admins, mods, VIP. You can add people into this. So if you want to add an owner, you can type their name in there like this. You put the quotation marks, you put their name. Now I'm going to show you that actually does work. You can just go ahead and click play. It should take a second to load in. And boom. Now I'll give it a second. And okay, you're a game creator. Chat commands. Use that for all the commands and use help for general usage. So you can hit the colon and you can put CMDS, and basically if you hit colon, it's going to give you the command thing. So you can type C, you can type D. It's going to give you all of the different commands you can do. So you can just look at here. I think you can put help, so it helps UI. Basically here you can see all the different commands. So if you want to kick someone, it will teach you that. It teach you how to do it, so it'll teach you the usage of it. So kick Cole, and then the person's name. So that's basically how you would use it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and also comment down below that this video did help so that I know and other people know this video is useful. Thank you for watching.